Can you stop killing innocent people, Yuki? I hope you die in a hole. Get off me! Come on, it's just a hug. Yeah, but I don't like hugs. Wow, you're such a party pooper, Alex. Used to love them. Used to hug me and Dakota a lot. Well, he shouldn't blame you. You did nothing wrong. It's him who's being such an idiot. Rena. You're surprised to see me again. Here I am, back alive. I wasn't even dead, you know. So, miss me, Cameron? How the hell did you survive? Just simple things, really. It's very easy to survive. Actually, it's not. Anyway, how's my prince? You know. Oh, Alex, he's doing fine. I only just met him today. He seems proper grumpy. But I think it's just me. I see. And did you see her? The girl who's taking my place to be queen of the wolves. Winter? Yeah, I did see her. She was very nice. I didn't speak to her at all day. Why'd you ask? Oh, nothing really. Just wanted to say that I sent 2 of my favorite people to bully her and stuff in school, but when it's outside of school, they're gonna proper murder her. If she kills them or if they both die, I'll have to get myself to do it. I have to do the job for myself. Then I can have Alex all by myself once that stupid girl is dead. But, vampires can die very easily than wolves. I don't know if that's true or not, but I was told it was. I see. So, what's this meeting all about? Well, hate to tell ya, but there'll be a war coming. If my role doesn't work and I die, we'll have to bring him back alive. And then he'll probably start a war. And I can't wait to see it for myself if I stay alive. I'm so happy that you made it to our school. We appreciate you being here. Of course. You probably won't stay long, as it says on your report. But that doesn't matter, does it? At least you have so much fun here. Anyway, so Lim, do you want me to show you around the school? Or are you okay coping with yourselves? Oh, don't worry. We'll be fine. Come on, Noah. Oh no. What? What is the oh no? Look behind us. I'm sure there's nobody. No way. You gotta be joking. Yuki! Who are they? That's Noah and Jane. They work for someone. Basically a baddie. Thank you. Oh, hello Yuki. It's been a long time since I've seen you. You've grown a bit. Oh, shut up. Don't say a word to me. What the hell are you doing here? That's rude. I'm sure your brother won't be very happy with your rudeness. Yuki. Don't you dare bring Alex into this. He has none of his business in this. After all, he's supposed to be your carer, so he should be with you at all times. Looks like he's left you. Oh, don't tell me he's abandoned you because you're so annoying. Say one more word about him and you're screwed, kitty cat. Meow. Yuki, we should leave. Oh look, it's the big puppy. Oh, who thinks she's hot all the time. What are you doing here, puppy? Leave her alone. She said nothing wrong to you. God, why do you have to pick up other people because you're bored? Look, if you do anything to my friends or to any of my family members, you are definitely screwed, Jane, and I mean it. I will kill you. I think you said that a bit too loud, Yuki, don't you think? The whole school heard you. Now they know you're a killer machine. What is going on here? Oh, Ethan, great to see you. I know we were supposed to be heading to your office and all, but we kind of got caught up over Yuki telling me that I should die and commit suicide. It's pathetic that she throws such stupid words that doesn't even affect me. It's stupid that you tell lies in front of good people. Why the hell are they here, Ethan? That's clearly none of your business, Yuki. Anyway, you two need to follow me. And, Yuki, have you seen your brother? I mean, is he in today? He's in. But I don't know where he is. Hey, Jane, we should go look for him. Let's go on a Alex hunt, shall we? Yeah, you're right, Noah. Let's go on a hunt. Don't you dare speak to him. You'll be dead before you know it. How scary. Come on, Jane, let's go. Hate them. Want them dead. Same, Yuki. I hate them too. I mean, they must be here for a reason, like some sort of plan. I mean, I haven't seen your brother this morning. Are you sure he's in? Of course he's in. He walked with me to school today. He said he had to go to the library or something. I don't know. He was on about to do something or meet up with someone. I don't know. Hey, are you two okay? Yeah, we're fine, Winter. No need to worry about poor Yuki here. Maybe poor little puppy, Alice. Please don't call me that. Anyway, Winter, we should go to class. Come on. Yuki, we got class together. Okie dokie. Going to class? Of course. You coming with? Yeah.